I'm going to attempt to make a video of the drawing for the Model A hood prop and post it for those folks who might want to fabricate one. Couldn't figure out another way to post a picture, so we'll try this so you can kind of like freeze frame to get the details. Up here in the corner, that little detail can be added on the left hand side here. And what that does, that allows the hood prop to also be the adjustment gauge for the brakes between the seat and the brake pedal. And that's what would be written on the back for each one of these cutouts or steps. So there you can see the measurements. Of course, I just made some graphics to it. That split in the center is for some dowel pins that can be cut in half and dowel pins put in it so that it can be stored in a smaller place, like the door pockets. More details. See all the dimensions between the slots, the sizes of the slots. So there you go. See if this works. Thanks.